you can find this match tonight, once it's edited and ready to go, alongside much of our history. As Riley Shepard dives out of the way. For the low, low price of only $5 a month at this point.
Wow, that's cheap.
For barely the cost of a cup of coffee at Starbucks, at least a Trenta. You can catch up with all the action here in Atomic and Rogue, and I hope you will. Meanwhile, Willow Nightingale dishing out some punishment here.
Willow firmly in control of this. Can't forget about Kaitlin Diemond standing on the outside, though.
Willow hanging on to the lock. Perhaps looking for the three amigos. Kaitlin Diemond can see it coming. Can Riley Shepard? She can. She's trying to block. Diemond now. Rear waistlock into a German suplex.
There's the strength.
And Diemond.
Kaitlin Diemond.